Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're considering using Coina.com, you might be wondering whether it's a legitimate crypto exchange or just another scam platform. So guys, firstly, just look at this website. This is just insane. What even is this? Wow, this website just seems like it's broken or something. I'm just shocked. What even is this? That's insane. But anyway, let us continue. Let us go back where we were. So guys, this one seems to be like a cryptocurrency exchange service offering trading, staking, and investment options. Key features include crypto trading, supports various cryptocurrencies for trading, claims to offer staking rewards on popular coins, supposedly allows deposits and withdrawals in fiat currencies, and states that it uses two-factor authentication and encryption. So, legitimacy of the domain. So let's check the domain in the scam detector first, but I already pretty much expect this to have a very, very low score. Oh, it's 20. Interesting. Well, it's still suspicious. It's a very low score out of 100. So this is domain information. Now let us talk about the licensing and regulation. Legitimate crypto exchanges are registered and regulated by financial authorities. Coina.com does not appear to be licensed by major financial regulations like the SEC, FCA, or FinCEN. User reviews and complaints next. Several online reports suggest issues with withdrawals, poor customer support, and sudden account freezes. Many scam exchanges lure users with high initial profits but later prevent withdrawals. Now, security measures. While Coin.A claims to have two-factor authentication, lack of transparency about security protocols is a concern. No information is provided about cold storage, insurance, or security audits. So guys, red flags. No clear information about the company. Unlicensed exchanges pose high financial risks. Many users report trouble withdrawing funds, and unrealistic profit guarantees are common in scams. So this one is highly suggestive that it's a scam. It lacks all of the essential securities and policies. Guys, I suggest avoiding this website, and plus look at this website, it's just broken completely, so just stay away from it. If you like this video, press like, subscribe, see you in the next one.